Welcome to WordPress. It is a CMS website for you to create your own sites within a server. We will be showing you how to do certain tasks in WordPress. Okay, now that we're logged into WordPress, we're on the reader's page, which is featuring posts. To access the page with your website, find the icon that says My Sites, then click on it.
So after you log into your account, you'll be greeted with this web page, and to change your password, you click the profile icon in the top right, and then go to security, and you can enter a new password right there. You can even generate a new password and just write it down.
To create a post, there are two ways to do it. One way is on top of the screen, there's a button that says Write, which when you hover your mouse over it, it says Create a new post. Another way is on the left panel, in the widget that says Blog Posts, there is a little button that says Add. I'm going to go with this method, so I'm going to click Add. When creating a post, you type in the title and some text in the paragraph below. I'm going to type in basketball as my title, and under the paragraph box, I'm going to type this is a post on basketball. It is a sport played with an orange ball and two basketball hoops, one on each side of the court. So that's how you add text to the post. Plus, you can add an image to this post as well. Here, we have a selection of images from WordPress you can choose from. Or, you can upload your own. Every one of my posts already has each of these images, so I'm just going to add my own. To add your own image, click Add New. Now, as you see, I am uploading a basketball image. Now click the blue Set Featured Image button. And there we did it. We created a post with a picture in it. Now we have to publish this. To do that, click on the blue icon that says Publish. Now when you go back to your post is saved and is published. You can also edit and delete an existing post. To edit a post, find the post you'd like to edit. Then click the widget that says Edit. Now you can change some of the materials in the post, plus remove the featured image. To add text inside of the post, it is the exact same method as when you're adding text. Same as when you're adding the image to the post, go to the Featured Images panel. Since we already added the image to this post, you now have the option to remove it. On the corner of the image, you will see an X. That X will remove the image from the post block, which is very useful for when you want to change the image. But I like the image, so I'm just going to leave it there. You can even revert the post back to how it was before by under the post status, click the history icon where it says revisions. There, it has a timeline for all the edits made to it. Use that timeline to look for the restore point that you want to revert back to. Then click Restore this revision. After clicking Restore this revision, it takes you straight to this editing page for your post. After you make some changes, click the button that says Update before exiting the post, because if you don't save the changes you made, they will be discarded. Now that I have shown you how to edit an existing post, I will now show you how to delete one. To delete a post, find the post that you want to delete. Then click on the icon that says More. You will then see an icon that says Delete. After you click Delete, an icon will then appear that says Trashed. This is where all the posts that you deleted get stored. On the posts that you deleted are two options. One that restores the post and one that deletes the post permanently. Please handle deleting a post permanently with care because once the post has been deleted permanently, it cannot be recovered. I'm actually wanting to restore this post, so to do that, click Restore. Okay, so now that this post has been restored, it is public again. So that's how you create, edit, and delete a post.
From the default page, once you log in again, to update content and manage text and stuff, you go to My Site, and you can either do a page or a blog post. We're doing a page this time. We'll use the About page, and I put some dummy text on the page, but you can insert like a link with just the link button. You can put it to your home page, and to insert media you can either use this drop down arrow or the plus and just click the one you want to insert and then insert, and then you can make this, you can style it to be the title right here. I want that. I want it to be heading 1. I want it to be just, have it not wrap. And you can do stuff like that. You can justify it. You can add lists. You can strike through some words if you want it to look like you want it to correct yourself. So, and then once you're done, you can publish the website by hitting the update button in the top right corner. And then once it's done, you can view the page and see that what we've done is saved.
Now we're going to create, edit, and delete menu items. To view your menu items, on the left panel, find where it says Menus, and click on it. As you see, our entire web page has loaded up. With this, we are going to edit the top level menu items. So, on the top level menu, click on the pencil icon. Now, on the left panel, we have a selection of all the menu items, each with the drop-down arrow. If you click on the little drop-down arrow, the editing properties of the menu item will appear. That is how we edit our existing menu item. Renaming the item is one of the ways you can edit it. You can also delete that existing menu item as well by clicking on the red link that says Remove. It deletes that selected menu. To create a new menu item, click the button where it says Add Items. Now have a new panel on the left that says Pages. So all we do is name the new item that is being added. I'm going to name this Other. Now we click Add. So that is how you create, edit, and delete a menu item. After you made some changes to your menu, click on the blue button that says Save and Publish. So that's the video on how to do some tricks on WordPress. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you all for watching.